safe and make sure it doesn't get damaged or stolen until you come to sell it. That feels a bit soulless, Stephen, somehow.
I'm with Ralph.
And at Carnegie.org.
To him, which is understandable because that quick when it comes to you might be this bad of a guy hanging out with Epstein.
Western Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, northwestern Lynn County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Terry County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, and eastern Texas, northeastern Terry County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, until at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2 east hail and 60 miles per hour wind gust. 15 miles southwest of Lubbock, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2
illicit trade costs
and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Slide, Wilson, and New Home. The main alert for a possible tornado. Locations impacted include Slide, Wilson, and New Home. The main alert for a possible tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas. For northwestern Texas.